Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Fidelity account using phone verification steps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start restoring your Fidelity account using phone verification, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, visit the Fidelity Investments website. On the home page, locate and click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Since you're restoring access, select the option that says Forgot Username or Password. This option will take you to a new page for account recovery. Here, enter your registered phone number associated with your account. Make sure the number is correct and in the appropriate format. After entering your phone number, click on the Continue button. Fidelity will send a verification code to your registered phone via text message. Check your phone for the message from Fidelity containing the verification code. Once you receive the code, go back to your browser. Enter the code in the designated field on the recovery page. After entering the code, click on the Submit button. If the code is correct, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Fidelity's security requirements. Enter your new password and confirm it in the required field. After confirming your password, click on the Update Password button. Once your password is updated, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can use your new password to log in to your Fidelity account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fidelity customer service for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.